Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. So I think again after 1 or 2 days I have to start again like this. And nobody expected such a huge volatility today. In the morning Nifty fell about 100 point, whereas the SGX Nifty was indicating only about 40-50 point. It fell 100 point. Then the short covering came and Nifty shot up more than 170 points. And then from there the selling came and it crashed all over again and broke morning low. And that was really very how to say, a gut wrenching fall, we can say. I really don't know how come the market went up so much, because I was just looking at it. The Reliance Industries has been doing badly since morning. And not only that, this Kotak Bank, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, so they were all down. But despite that, markets went up and then crashed all the way. The Bank Nifty fell 200 point in the morning, then shot up 400, 500 point, and then from there fell another 600 point. So once again, Bank Nifty started moving more than 1000 point swing. So this expiry, I always used to tell, and if the markets are volatile for the first 4 weeks, the 5th week will be even more volatile. So as we are approaching to the expiry, the market seems to be even more volatile. The first I thought, today's fall is something to do with the expiry, but then, the way it was falling, I don't think that this is something related to expiry. We have to wait for the FII data. It is still not out, but I am sure they would have sold a heavy quantity. Without their huge selling, I don't think that the Bank Nifty can fall like this. And just 1 or 2 days before, I took a bullish view and I bought 17,200 call option, sold 17,300 call option. But still I had to pay about 50 rupees from my pocket, and to collect that 50 rupees I sold 16,800 put option. So I would be making profit only if Bank Nifty goes above 17,200, but now hopes dashed. And now I am worried that market should not fall below 16,800, so where I will start losing money. So of course I will be doing some kind of adjustments, but this strategy I was hopeful of making some profit, but it looks like I will not be making any profit in this strategy. But only the good thing is that I will not be losing also, as long as Nifty is not falling below 16,800. But today's fall is really puzzling because Asian markets were all good. Look at the Hong Kong market, it was up 2% and we are falling. In fact, on a close to close basis, the Nifty has fallen only 75 points, which is only about 0.5%. But it is the intraday huge volatility and the huge underperformance of the Bank Nifty. So that, as I think now more and more traders are trading in Bank Nifty. So I think seriously I have to consider stop trading in Bank Nifty. Sector wise, Reliance was bad, and since morning Kotak Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank were bad. So who else can lift the market? And stock specific, auto stocks ended slightly in green. That's because some auto companies looking to raise their selling prices of 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler, and that was the news there. And Vedanta fell 5% because there was a rumor that Anil Agarwal may be selling the company, but I don't think that he will be selling, but later I think he has also denied that. So Vedanta is a metal stock and tend to be highly volatile. I remember it went up to 70 rupees in coronavirus time, then from there it went up to 350, and then it came to 225, again went up to 320, now is coming down again. So PSU Bank Index is the worst performer today, and after performing better yesterday. So I don't know, I have no hope of PSU banks now. Overall market sentiment is still very bad. And Europe was okay, Europe was down 0.5%, but that's because, the last 2 days they went up, and today Bank of England interest rates, Bank of Switzerland interest rate hike, so that's okay. And US futures were positive only, and our fall seems to be overdone, but it has to correct tomorrow. If it's not correcting tomorrow, it is going to be very difficult. So I hope the bulls will be defending 17,000 this time also. But once again, as I have been saying, bullish above 17,250, bearish below 16,750. So 16,750 to 17,250, in this 500 point range only the market has been trading, and it's likely to trade there only for the next 4 trading sessions. So 4 weeks over, and next week 1 day is a public holiday, so we have only 4 more trading sessions. I think this range is likely to hold. For the last few months, though stock markets are doing very, very badly, some other asset classes like gold, cryptos are doing very, very good. And in fact, about 1 or 2 months before, I came out with a video. I did a strategy where I bought Ethereum 1500 call option, sold 1900 call option, 4 times the quantity, and also sold one 1200 put option. Here I am giving you the update of that, and I bought 1500 call option for $161, now trading at $255, so that's a $900 profit, and sold 1900 call option, 4 times the quantity, $33 sold, now it is $17 only, so there's a $564 profit. And then 1200 put option, sold 1 time the quantity, sold for $26, now $0.4, there's a profit of $258. So you add everything together, so 900 plus 600 plus around $1,800 profit. So $1,800 profit, and the margin money for this is only about $5,000. So this has given a whopping 40% return in about 2 months time. So I used to trade some small quantities in Delta Exchange. So you want to open an account in Delta Exchange, you can click on the link in the description to open an account with the Delta Exchange. So let us see, today's expiry, highly stressful, so time to enjoy. We'll see tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.